Good day everyone, so great work on finishing your performance tasks. Now I'm going to show you the final and most important step for submitting your work, how to download the project file. This is the file you will upload to our LMS. It's very easy, so please watch carefully. First, make sure you have your project open, and just like I have my digital ID app here. The very top of the screen, you'll see a menu with words like projects, so here, connect, field, settings, and so on. So the one we need is the first one, project. Click on that and I'm going to click on the projects now and see the drop down menu that appears. So it has a lot of options, but we only need one of them for submitting our work. So we're going down this list and until we find this one right here, export selected project AIA to my computer. The letters .aia are the file extension for all App Inventor projects. This is how I know you're giving me the correct file. Now watch what happens when I click it. So the file now should initiate the download in the browser, as you can see there. So it has downloaded a file, so it's usually goes straight into your downloads folder. And here, if you're going to take a look at that, so it goes straight right away here. And this AIA file contains everything about your projects, specifically your design, your blocks, and your images. And that's it. That's the file you will find on your computer and upload to your assignment. Does anyone have any question about that process? Okay, so don't forget to drop a message for me to find out. Thank you.